Hello, I'm Chris. Welcome to DIY Florida. Today we're going to be changing out the max airflow sensor in the Nissan Quest here. We got a 3.5 Nissan Quest. It's been misfiring. I went to AutoZone and got the printout from the check engine light, and it's been having misfiring, and it's got mass airflow problems, and also it's been having intake temperature problems, which the mass airflow sensor has the intake temperature tied in with it. So that's probably the main problem, is the mass airflow sensor. So it's been having random misfires, so it's not just one single cylinder that's missing. So we're going to replace the mass airflow sensor. Hopefully that takes care of the problem. This is the mass airflow sensor right here. It's actually just a couple of screws, so it's going to be easy to take out. But first, what we want to do is we'll pull the whole thing out, this whole assembly here, just to give you an idea of what it looks like. So this is tied in with the filter system. So this is the filter right here. So we want to pop the filter loose, unscrew this part here. We're just loosening it. You don't want to take it all the way off. And this will just pop right on out of there. Simple as that. It's got a wire on the back of the airflow sensor, so you want to take that off. As you can see, it's a pretty simple piece of machinery here. You got your connector, you got your port here, it's got some electronics in there. Now you want this hole right here to face towards the air intake, because it's right in the air intake of your vehicle that's coming into the carburetor or fuel injectors. So you want this to face forward. So always remember that when you're putting it back in, because as you can see, this whole pattern can be faced any direction, and it would fit both ways. So you want to make sure you go the right way. Make sure the little rubber gasket is on there. The airflow comes from this portion, so make sure you get your hole facing that direction. Just insert it. So you plug the plug back in first. There it goes. Alright. And then we put that into there. Put the air filter back into its spot. Pop it back all together. Put these spring clips back out. I don't know. So we're going to have to go for a test drive and see how it's running. But other than that, that's pretty much how you change your mass airflow sensor. It's a pretty simple process. And you can have your checks done at AutoZone, or most auto places usually will check it for auto parts. They'll check the service